we're gonna see who has the best back handspring before warming up and stuff. Me, Kenzie, Kiana, or Felicia. Okay. Anyway, Felicia's gonna start recording. Kiana's gonna go first. All right.
Oh wait, no!
Yeah, go. Kiana's going.
No, I'll go second.
Recording. Go.
I'm going second. Go ahead.
Go.
So I'll go first.
Why do I gotta go first?
Kiana has the camera right now, so somebody goes first. All right, you're dead. Let's go. That was poop. Let's go. I'll get closer. All right, go ahead. You look like a dead zombie. All right, I'll go second. Ready?
This is Kiana.
My hair's a mess. Where's your brush?
Stripping.
Well, I need your brush. My hair's a mess.
I'm not a stripper. Sorry, bud.
No, don't watch me. Hi.
Look at that butt.
Don't watch me, guys.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, God. That's not right. I barely even ran. I want to record one. All right, go ahead.
This is Felicia. Girl, stop walking like that. Felicia's is the best. We know it, yo.
Okay, ready?
Baby, don't just tumble. Nice.
Oh,
All right.
yeah.
Now,
Did you start? No. Who's the best? Kenzie, Felicia, or Kiana?
yeah, boy.
No. Me, buddy.
Wait,
Oh,
here's
me.
people coming.